5 Papa Foxtrot, deviation 20 degrees right of course is approved. And when you're able, proceed direct to Wilkes-Barre, Lima Victor Zulu.
We'll go.
We'll go 25 Papa Foxtrot.
And we'll tell them when we're doing that. Right there.
Damage at 855, so direct to Allentown Airport.
Direct Allentown Airport, MJ 55.
All right, so now we can see the arrow where we got to go next. You can start your turn back.
Damage at 855, contact the Wilkes-Barre approach 120.95.
They're direct now.
855, good day.
Yep. Okay. Nicely done. On our way to Lee Corps. And then we're down.
Center exit 104.
That looks okay to me. What do you think?
At 180.
Well, that was,
1048 center, roger. Descend maintain 13.
this was where all the weather was right here.
Yeah, I know, but look outside now. It's all stratus.
Not as bad, yeah.
74 Alpha Hotel, descend maintain 13,000, Wilkes-Barre altimeter.
So if you don't like the weather, just wait a while. To Rochfort. Fly safely.
74 Alpha Hotel.
Train often.